NCERT presents the story A Meeting in the Jungle.
Let's go! You are coming for today's meeting, right?
Oh, you do reach on time.
Since morning, Chulbul Chuiya and Bittu Goraiya hadn't even had a moment to catch their breath. They had been assigned the task of going to everyone's house, informing them about the meeting scheduled for today and respectfully inviting them, while Happu Hathi was brooming the meeting place with his trunk. Looking at all the arrangements of the meeting, Kittu Kaua said,
"That corner has been left unclean."
In the past 10 years, human activities have had many negative impacts on the lives of animals and creatures. A meeting was being held to discuss how to avoid these effects in the future. The moon was very sad. It said,
Was my light not enough for them?
Let's go, brother!
where once there used to be dense forests covered with tall trees. There now, after cutting them down, stood wide concrete roads and huge buildings. It looked as if the home of all these creatures had been captured. After all the animals and birds arrived, the meeting began.
Tell me, is this new generation forgetting its values? Why are the elders not invited?
People Dada, don't be angry. We haven't forgotten you. A separate meeting for trees and plants has been scheduled for next week.
What is this? When we share our joys and sorrows together, why should the meetings be separate? This cruelty of humans is also being inflicted upon us. Only if we all come together and make a plan, then it will be successful.
After People Dada, the Angur Bale said,
Achhi! My branch facing the road is always withered. The problem of trees, plants and animals is the same.
The Kittu Kaua also presented his thoughts in the meeting.
People Dada is right. Wah! Trees and plants will also be included in this meeting. Their concerns should also be included in agenda. And let's continue with the proceedings. Now I will request Monu Peacock to tell us about all the issues.
One by one, Monu Peacock presented all the issues in front of everyone.
Cutting down trees to build wide roads, the disappearance of natural water sources, building dams and monopolizing water, the burning of large street lights all night long, the death of animals and creatures due to radiation, the increase in dust and smoke, the continuous shrinking of forest areas, the wilting of flowers and plants.
Gunnu Ghoda was also worried and he told everyone about a totally different problem.
It hurts when we walk on roads and concrete floors. I had heard that there are two types of creatures, those that wear shoes and those that don't. And I thought I belonged to the second type of creatures. But look, these humans have made me wear shoes too.
Then Natkhat Mittu Tota also came forward to present his views.
Jiha! Listen to me too. When did adulteration start happening in food items? The taste of my chili is not the same as before. It feels like someone has added chemicals to it. Who said that?
I too want to say something. Mini Ant. We are so troubled. Wherever these human children see us, they are ready to take our lives. We have never harmed them.
Here, all the creatures were looking for a solution to their problems when from some faraway place came the Gutargu Kabutar and said while panting,
I apologize for being late. Look, so many of my feathers have started to fall off. This never happened with my ancestors. Please help me.
Oh my God! Are you drinking water from someone's household water dispenser?
Don't tell me that water is contaminated.
Everyone here is sharing their problems, and you all are just lying back there.
Kittu Kawa scolded everyone.
Friends, this is a very serious issue. We need to think deeply about it. I propose that a 3-day international seminar be organized on this topic, and scholars from all over the world should be invited to attend. At the same time, humans should also be invited for a discussion.
After the proposal presented by Kittu Kawa, all the creatures felt a bit satisfied that this issue at least took one step ahead. And with that, after Munnu Snail's vote of thanks, the meeting concluded.
You were listening to the story A Meeting in the Jungle. Academic Coordinator Professor Usha Sharma. Script written by Dr. Pramod Kumar Tiwari. Narration Abhishek Sharma, Khyati Mehra, Mayank Vij, O Swaraj, Rishabh Mahajan, Devrat Sharma, Jyoti Deswal, Suhani Pratap Singh. Technical Direction Rishabh Mahajan, Mayank Vij, Abhishek Sharma. Academic Support Bhavna Kheda. Development Support Jyoti Tiwari, Yachna Gupta, Mohammad Shah Alam. Cell for National Center for Literacy, NCERT, New Delhi. This program has been presented by NCERT, New Delhi, India, in collaboration with Pawan Productions.